again, special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us this 2-pack of LED floodlights. A little bit of the dimensions there. This is a 2-pack of 200 watt LED floodlights. A little bit of the product information there as well. Let's take a look at these. So if you slide these out, they include a nice safety guide, and then you get 2 floodlights here. So you can see you have this massive floodlight with this adjustable mount here, nice and easy, and then you just have your ground wire, your neutral wire, and your live wire. There are 3 wires to wire this up. Now you do get 2 of these. They're both completely identical, no difference from them at all. These are rated at 18,000 lumens each. They'll last for approximately 30,000 hours. They're a 650K in terms of the color, and they're rated at 200 watts of power. Thanks again to this company who was nice enough to send these to me to unbox for you. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.